Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's 8:30 the night before. We're going to head down and pick up the QS in the morning. The QS is packed up with all the gear we need. Just four wheels. He's got the seat there, so we should be alright. All in all, 7:30. We're halfway to Wales. Well, Pembroke Docks. We're on our way down there, mate, in the QS. I'm going to go and pick another one up. Priorities. Go everywhere. Look, we ain't got them genuine seats.
Proper job.
Right, we're at Pembroke Docks. We're meant to pick up another car. What the car? Take a walk. This is the new QS. It's very QS-like. It's number 963. It's got the wrong wheels, obviously. So we're missing the seats, the seat delete, the handbrake, and I had to put a gear knob on it. I've got no airbag, so hopefully we don't crash. Here we have the spats, the rest of the QS loveliness, phantom black stuff. Yeah, all in all, it's a really nice car. Paint's pretty. Time to head back to TT Spares headquarters. This is a well looked after, genuine QS, and I think a 4-hour run home would be a fair test to see whether it's a decent car. Oh. More about the car. Done 115,000 miles. It's had a recent cam belt, new springs, new bushes. We've got a rolling road printout of 200. First day using the car, I had a little accident. I pulled it to one side and put a full interior in it. Changed the heat seat switches because they were blanks and now they're working. The radio wasn't working correctly. It was so taking all that apart, repaired the CD changer unit. I put my son in it and he decided to lock himself in. It was deadlocked completely, so I've had to smash the glass. 1 step forward, 3 steps back, eh? We finally got the TT on the ramp. We've been busy the last couple of weeks and this is the first chance we've got to have a look at it. So let's have a look underneath. At first glance you'll see, it's like most other TTs. It's done lots of miles on the road and it has a lot of crusting on this rear subframe. Nothing to worry about, no structural problems. I've got history for it having 4 springs, so the springs look good. This here is annoying me. I can't see further than the bonnet because there's no xenon sensor at the back, so it's just pointing down at the moment. The brakes all look okay. Moving on to the front, we're missing the guards top and bottom. They've obviously vibrated at some point and someone's removed them. I'm a bit concerned about the where these are mounted. They've been rubbing, and on this one here, it's created a bit of rust, so I think this is going to have to be dropped off and painted. Or undersealed and painted. It just needs a bit of something. Front frame's solid, everything looks in order. The only thing of major concern would be the shock absorber on this side at the front, which has been, the spring, I've got the receipt for it being replaced, but as you can see here, they've put the shock in at 45 degrees, so this is supposed to line up with this line here, and it's out, so the anti-roll bar link is at a weird angle and it's really putting stress on it, and the ABS sensor is touching the tyre basically here. So other than that, we're quite impressed with it underneath here. There's a bit of damage to the front of the bumper, which is missing, snapped off. The cover's on, which is always a good start with these TTs. The bushes all look okay. It's not been jacked up by too many people on the sills. Yeah, all round. Should be alright. I've driven it for the last couple of weeks and it's been a good car. So yeah, we'll get underneath here boxed off. get it so it's safe, and then we'll work on the performance afterwards. But for me, good motor.
Next jobs on the QS are rear adjustable arms, Powerflex trailing arm bushes, Brembo brakes, front arm bushes, and a service on the Haldex. Then we will be going to the Nürburgring. Thanks for watching.